Hello, beautiful people. Yeah, so I just walk. But today I'm not walking for option because I'm lost. But anyway, because I'm lost, I go make that video for you that like me being lost. Yes, no lost like totally lost, but lost like do not find your way. Your way? Yeah. Sometimes we look around and we see ourselves alone. Yes, alone. It's so horrible to be alone. Lonely. Nobody to take care of you. No? Maybe that happened for many reasons. Maybe you have someone before and you don't appreciate, or maybe you really never, nobody for really appreciate you. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that for own experience. Not because of me, no way. When I find someone and I want to be with that person, I treat like a king. Do you know why? Because I make that person important for me. That's the reason why I am with that person. If you are with someone, what's the point to be with someone and you really don't care? So it's quite sadomasochist stuff. And you just waste your life and somebody's life. But more important than you waste somebody's life is you waste your life. That's not very smart, That's not very clever. Oh yeah. So don't be selfish. Give yourself, invest in a relationship. Be nice with you. Be nice with the another person. Stay with you, because if you don't really put yourself into, in some point, people go lost their hope on you, and they go think it's not the point. Spend their time, their life, their hope in someone just don't want to be involved. So be involved in everything, anything, when you put yourself in. So commitment. Yeah, commitment. Do the commitment stuff. You don't need to be married. You don't even need to be together, live in the same ceiling. But be commitment. Be there. Be friend. Relationship is based in a friendship. The person with you is your mate. I don't say about soulmate. It's your mate. No, it's your friend. The person you kiss, hug, share your bed is your friend. Make the person your best friend. Even if tomorrow they're not there with you, but the time they are with you, make like a forever. And you're not gonna be lost. No way. You're not gonna be lost like me. You just not gonna be lost. And the time pass by, like the wind now in my hair, you go feel good. Because you put yourself in a situation. When you agree to have relationship, you give yourself in. Alright? Hug in your heart. In your heart. Make yourself kind. Be kind with you. Be kind with the world. And the gods go look around for you.